Hello guys, I got my hands on the new Ulefone Armor Pad 2 tablet, and let me tell you, this tablet left me seriously impressed. It comes with an excellent rugged all-terrain design with impressive 11-inch 2K screen with a 500 nit of peak brightness. Under the hood there is an excellent MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, up to 16GB of RAM, 18,600 mAh battery, long-lasting battery and the maximum resistance to water, dust and falls, so be sure to check out this Ulefone Armor Pad 2 rugged tablet video review. The well-known manufacturer of robust devices, Ulefone, has created a tablet that will withstand the toughest field conditions. The tablet combines durability, performance and versatility to meet the needs of professionals, outdoor enthusiasts and the average everyday life. So let's start unboxing right now and see what we have in the box. This is our tablet, and for now it's going a bit to the side until we check all the contents of this box. So there we have a SIM pin for opening SIM tray, a lot of paperwork including this Armor Pad 2 user manual written in many languages, all beautiful detailed instructions and printed in color. So there is a brochure of useful additional accessories to make this tablet a real working machine, accessories that we can additionally order like an endoscope, microscope and all sorts of other things. And here is also this rest of these instructions. What else we have here? USB Type-C red cable for charging and data transfer, 30W super fast charger, a screwdriver which we'll use to screw this leather elastic holder onto the tablet. Now let's screw it on the back of this tablet. We can put our hand through it and it serves as an excellent holder, especially somewhere at work or in the field where it is desirable to hold the tablet in one hand. This holder is a very useful accessory and I definitely leave it up on the tablet. Okay, that was the contents of the sales package. That was all you get on this tablet. Now let's take a closer look at our Armor Pad 2. For the first moment I held it, I could feel the sturdiness. The IP68 and IP69 certified, meaning it's waterproof, dustproof and withstand high and low temperature extreme conditions. It's military standard MIL STD 810H certification for drop resistance is testament to its durability. Our test sample comes in this yellow sporty look variant, which I particularly like, and there is also a complete black version of this tablet. The yellow decorative sport elements can be found on the front side around the screen, which is slightly protruding and serves as protection. A yellow is also in the detail on the sides. It is especially striking on the back. The tablet is complete, made of high quality TPU material resistant to all external influences. The robust and durability of this tablet screams for every detail and seems to challenge us to test this tablet as harshly as possible. So let's see what we have on the sides of this tablet. On this side we will find the power button, and next to it is this orange metal perforated button, this orange programmable button here, which can be customized to perform various functions with this tablet or compatible applications. This button can be activated with a single click, double click or long press, so this one button has 3 different functions according to your wishes. On the opposite side we find these 2 volume keys, and a little further down we find this smart extension connector that serves to make Armor Pad 2 a more professional device for work to connect with the endoscope, microscope and other equipment. On this side, under the rubber seal that guarantees 100% waterproofness, there is what we all like to see, the 3.5mm headphone jack. Right next to it is the USB Type-C charging port. There is also a microphone and the speaker holes here. We also have the same speakers on the other side, so you can expect excellent and very loud stereo sound on this tablet, which is what Ulefone is known for. We still have this entrance. There is this SIM tray with as many as 3 slots, 2 for SIM cards and 1 for the memory card of up to 2 TB. The display of the Ulefone Armor Pad 2 is one of the best that you can get in this range of tablets. With 11-inch 2K display, IPS FHD Plus resolution of 1200 by 2000 pixels, with a display of up to 60.7 million colors from even 500 nits brightness and 230 ppi, so you can enjoy any content of this tablet while providing an immersive visual experience. Excellent 60 megapixel front camera will help you stay in touch with your loved ones in the highest resolution, which will perfectly handle all your video calls and meetings. The touchscreen technology quickly registers every touch swipe and gesture with remarkable precision, promptly translating your intentions into actions. Whether you are sketching, typing, or simply navigating, the screen responsiveness seamlessly manages this your creative expression. While on a sunny day, the screen does not fade and remains reliable because it has a brightness of even 500 nits. The tablet even has a gloves mode. Gorilla Glass 5 protection not only boasts screen durability but also provides a peace of mind, allowing you to use your tablet confidently without fearing minor scratches and cracks. The adequate brightness ensures the screen remains visible and clear even in the challenging lighting conditions. Whether you are engrossed in your favorite series, enjoying YouTube videos, or immersed in your mobile gaming, the Armor Pad 2 display enhances your content consumption experience. The combination of size, resolution, and color accuracy makes it versatile and enjoyable screen for a wide range of activities, both at work and in the field, as well as the home. Whether you are catching up in your favorite series, relish YouTube videos, or active in mobile gaming, the Armor Pad 2 display elevates your experience of consuming content. The blend of size, resolution, and color accuracy renders it a flexible and enjoyable screen for all your various activities. Now let's take a look at the back of the tablet now and see this impressive design back. Where is the most noticeable thing is this big LED camping light. In low light conditions, Armor Pad 2 turns into a versatile lighting device in place of a physical flashlight, headlight, and a portable camping light. With user-friendly controls, it gives you quickly and hassle-free access to the light source whenever needed. With the help of application on the tablet, we can control the intensity of the light in 3 modes, as well as the legit of the lighting duration, as well as the type of light such as SOS mode or something else. Above this large LED light, we find only one 48 megapixel main camera lens, and next to it is a round flashlight. The camera takes decent photos as well as videos up to 2K resolution. Now, to get a feel for camera performance, it's the best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our Armor Pad 2 tablet, so let's take a look. Running to the software side, Ulefone Armor Pad 2 is based on the latest pure Android 13, so we are covered with all these latest Google features and possibilities. In addition, it supports NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, dual 4G LTE and even Wi-Fi 6 for even better, faster and more stable internet connection. Now delving into the memory configuration, the Armor Pad 2 sets a new standard with excellent 8GB base RAM, and it gets even more impressive by utilizing the extended 8GB RAM feature. It can reach a huge 16GB of RAM in total, which further accelerates and makes the work on this tablet even more fluid. In terms of storage, the tablet offers 256GB of rapid UFS 2.2 storage, expandable of up to a massive 2TB for those seeking additional storage capacity. The Armor Pad 2 is driven by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, clocked at up to 2.2 GHz frequency and constructed using the TSMC, a state-of-the-art 6nm technology. This chipset is acclaimed for its advanced energy efficiency and currently holds the title as the best and fastest 4G chipset on the market. Featuring an octa-core architecture with the Mali G57 graphics, it expertly harmonizes power efficiently and with the raw performance, offering an exceptional user experience. For dedicated gamers, this tablet is a true delight. It seamlessly handles the most demanding games found on the Google Play Store, providing peak performance even in the highest graphical settings. With the robust hardware and cutting-edge several-dimensional graphene film cooling system, the Armor Pad 2 regulates its temperature, avoiding any overheating issues during intense gaming seasons. Furthermore, the tablet's huge 18,600 mAh battery guarantees extended hours and hours of uninterrupted gaming. If you are a gaming enthusiast who relish playing the latest gaming titles, this tablet should certainly be on your short list for purchase. Of course, all this with the support of 33W fast charging and a 5W reverse charging with OTG function. With the massive 8600 mAh battery, the Armor Pad 2 provides power for a week without interruption. In practice, the battery will allow 60 hours of listening to music, 16 hours of watching movies, and 840 hours of standby time. Equipped with the latest Android 13 operating system, it has improved performance and user interface. Say goodbye to lag and say hello to seamless multitasking. Let's not forget how Armor Pad 2 ensures the highest standards of durability, IP68 and IP69K ratings, waterproofness and dust protected, MIL STD 810H military standard for drop resistance. Armor Pad 2 behaves like a barrier under harsh conditions such as extreme weather and rough handling works. Integrated injection molding provides its shell extra strength and the sturdy features, better waterproof and dust-resistant performance. To summarize at the end, Ulefone Armor Pad 2 represents the ultimate rugged tablet, a combination of durability, performance and versatility. This tablet is designed to challenge off-road conditions with the all-resistant certifications, providing incredible resistance and safety. In addition, it offers advanced features such as a uSmart expansion connector for compatibility with accessories such as endoscope and a microscope, and a built-in powerful LED light for different scenarios. With the 11-inch 2K screen and massive 8600 mAh battery, the Armor Pad 2 guarantees a great visual experience and long-lasting use. It's powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 processor for smooth performance, and with up to 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, it provides enough resources for all user needs. It's equipped with quality cameras and dual stereo speakers and runs on the Android 13, making an excellent choice for business professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. I personally like this tablet so much that I will keep it for myself. It will be an excellent companion. So, the official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them. Hurry up and get your new Ulefone Armor Pad today at the promotional price, because now is the chance to get yourself this distinctive tablet. That will be all from me for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your attention and see you soon with a new video review. Bye.